Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'll be showing you how to convert any website at all to a mobile app, right? An Android mobile app with just your smartphone, right? Using Sketchware. The process of converting a website into a mobile app is very simple. Just like creating any other app, right? It takes even less than 15 minutes for you to be done converting a website to an app. So without any further waste of your time, let's go straight to the point, right? So to create a project, as you already know, is to click this plus button, enter the name of your app. So for my app, I'll be using Webview. Then you choose any logo at all you want for your app. So once you've selected a logo for your app, you just every other thing should be the same. So you click on create app. Now once our app is loading and it's loaded already, we want to create an app for a website, right? So what we want to do is to show a display on the screen, like a flash screen on the screen. We will display a splash screen, what is called a splash screen. So when you open an app for the first time, there is a welcome page first before the main app. That is what is called a splash screen, right? So we want to create that for an app like this, right? And also we'll need two pages. The first one will introduce like a welcome page, then the second one will load the website using a web view, right? So to do that, we would have to remove this toolbar here. To do that, we'll go to the view section, click on this, remove the toolbar, then save. Now we can go back. To proceed, we need to add a vertical linear layout into this. Make the width to match parent so that it covers the whole page. Now we'll set just an image view, then also a progress bar to show that the page is loading, right? So we'll set the gravity for this linear layout to center, horizontal and vertical. Now we have something like this. Give the width and height for this to 50-50. Now give a margin to this progress bar. Also, let's give it 50. So we have something like this, right? So what we want to set in this image view is the image that describes the website we are trying to convert to an app, right? So we'll look for an image that fits that. We'll add. So for me, this is the image I choose. Now I will set it as the image for this image view. Now we have something like this, right? Now I would want to make the background color for this linear layout white. And we have something like this, right? So the welcome screen appears something like this, right? And then this progress bar will show that something is loading behind the scene. This is all for this page, right? What we want to do next is to go to the components tab, right? But before that, we need to understand this. What we need to do here is we want to open a new page from here, right? After 5 seconds, right? We need two components now. We need an intent, as already discussed earlier, and we need a timer, right? So we'll go to the components tab and add these components we need. We need an intent. Call it intent. We also need a timer that can allow us to perform a certain function after a few seconds. You add a timer, right? Now we're done, right? We need two pages, right? The first one will be the welcome page, then the second one will be the page that will really load the website into a web view, right? To add the second page, we'll go to view, click on create new activity, remove the toolbar because we don't need it, give it a name of load website. Now we're good to go. You can click on add. Now we'll go back to the home page to customize this page. Now we have a blank page, right? Because we added a new page, right? So what we want to do next is to add a progress bar to show that the page is loading. Add a web view to load the web page, right? set the style to horizontal, then give it a height of 10. Now drag and drop the web view into the main page. Now this is the web view that will load all the website content into an app, right? This is a very important component, right? To assign the website you want to load into this web view, go to the event, the onCreate. When this page first opens, the web view will load the website automatically, right? So what we want to do is to go to the view tab, then look for web view load URL. To do that, then drag and drop, select the web view, then inside here right now, you type in the website you want to load after this page is opened, right? So you paste. Now this is all we need to load a website into an app, right? So we are done right now. So go back. What we need to do next is to go to the onCreate event of this activity, this page, right? Go to the onCreate event, simply drag and drop all the things we need to the component and scroll down to the timer section. You will see this first block here. Drag and drop. Then what we want to do is choose the timer, then set the number of seconds. It's in milliseconds, so if it's 5 seconds you write 5,000, right? Because the unit is in milliseconds, right? So after 5 seconds, what do we want to do, right? So what we want to do is to open a new page. So we'll go to the intent tab. It's very easy and simple. So go to the intent, drag and drop this, set screen, right? Choose the select the page you want to load after 5 seconds, right? So what we just did here right now is to set a timer. After 5 seconds you will do whatever is inside this block, right? What is inside the block is to set the page you want to open, then start the activity, right? So we'll look for start activity from the components tab under the intent section, drag and drop it here, right? So we'll select intent and then we are good to go, right? But one more thing, we need to finish the current page so that it doesn't, when a user press back, it doesn't go back, right? So to do that, we will go to the components tab still, then look for finish activity, drag and drop, right? So now we are good, right? After 5 seconds of showing the welcome page, the app will load the next page, which contains the website, right? The website content, right? So for us to test this app right now, so once it's done compiling, you have the app logo here, the app name, then when you're done, you open. So we have this welcome page, looks beautiful, right? After 5 seconds, we'll have the page load. Now this website has just been converted successfully to a mobile Android app, right? Everything on the app looks exactly and works exactly as you have it on a browser, right? So it's very easy to convert a website to an app, right? So if you can actually use this to make a lot of money, right? I personally charge about 15 to 20,000 naira to convert a website into an app, right? Within the space of just 4 months, I've had a lot of website owners approach me to convert a website to an app for them, right? Offer this as a service to people who need them urgently, right? So just choose any website at all and try it out for yourself to see how it works. Everything works like you have it on the website. Everything works just like you have it on your website, right? So with this, website owners can get closer to people just easily by converting their website to an app, right? So that's it, how to convert a website to an app.